Hi folks, and welcome to Animated LED Lighting. Today I'd like to thank all of my followers on Facebook and my subscribers on YouTube. I started this business because my retirement years are coming up fast and I am not ready to quit yet. I enjoy doing LED lighting projects. I enjoy doing lighting projects for Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day. I try to do the format in a DIY format so you can do these things at home as well. But I'm reaching out to the community today to find out what exactly you're looking for. Do you have anything specific you'd like to see for content? Maybe you have an idea, you just haven't figured out how to put it together yet. Let me know and we'll try to see if we can do something to help you out. We're just trying to find new ideas and find out what type of content you guys are looking for. So please leave a comment down in the comment section. Otherwise, the only other ones I have to listen to are these boneheads, and they're not telling me very much. So please drop a line down in the comment section. Let us know what you're looking for so we can focus our content on things you really want to see. Thanks a lot.